Hi folks, Rick Mathis, owner and clinic director of Align Pain Solutions. What if I told you that in just a few minutes a day, you could take your body through some specific types of movement that will both reduce your pain and help every joint in your body work better? I know many of you are already thinking, hey, I already move a lot. Maybe you walk or run. You live an active life. Maybe you do yoga or Pilates or CrossFit, or you play golf or pickleball or tennis. I get it. I'm not talking about just any motion. I'm talking about a specific kind of motion, design motion. What the heck is that? I want you to understand our bodies are designed to be in a certain position, what we call the postural blueprint. When we're in this position, our joints usually work the way they are supposed to work, and they're in the position they're supposed to be in. But when our joints are not in their normal position, when our back, neck, knee, or hip move into a compromised position, a few things happen. First, that joint now can't work the way it was designed to work. It becomes less biomechanically efficient. Everything we do with that joint now takes more effort. Second, as that joint moves in this compromised position, it's going to get beat up and inflamed. A mispositioned joint will age faster than a properly positioned joint. Third, that joint is going to tell you it's got a problem and it needs some help. How's it going to do that? Pain. Understand this. If you have some kind of musculoskeletal pain, your pain is not the problem. It's a message about the problem. If you want your body to feel and work better, your job is to listen to that message, interpret it accurately, and then give your body what it's asking for. That's really good news. Why? The problem isn't the condition of the joint that hurts. The problem is the position of that joint. And that's great news because you have the power to change that. You just have to get that joint back into its design position. Now you may be wondering, but how the heck do you get a joint back in its proper position? I've done chiropractic, physical therapy, yoga, massage, Pilates, and it's still out of position. Here's the key. Bones go where muscles tell them to go. And if muscles can pull a joint out of position, guess what else they can do? Pull it back. We assess our clients posturally and functionally. We determine specifically what joints are out of position and in what way, and what is your body not doing that it's designed to do. This tells us what muscles are not doing the work they should be doing and what muscles are doing work they shouldn't be doing. We then construct a personalized routine for your unique postural and functional issues, feeding your body the design motion it's been starving for. As you do your routine, you'll feel less pain and more freedom of movement. And now you'll get more benefit from all the other great movements you give your body. If you've tried other therapies, other types of movement, and you still hurt, it's time to stop treating your symptom and now begin addressing the reasons for your symptom. We literally guarantee you'll feel better. If we can't help you, we'll give you your money back. If you'd like to learn more about posture therapy with Align Pain Solutions, click the link to the blog post on the next page. If you're ready to get rid of your pain, we invite you to connect with us today. Give us a call or send us an email. We would love to have a conversation, learn more about your situation, and answer any questions you have for us. It's time to stop hurting. It's time to get your life back, and our team at Align Pain Solutions can't wait to help you do that.